How to make money from affiliate marketing. As you see, affiliate marketing is a passive income source. It is highly competitive, it is true, but still it may be so easy to make money online with affiliate marketing. To be successful, you need to learn what works and what doesn't while promoting your products. If you ask yourself, how can I do affiliate marketing? Here you go. In this video, we will explain how to make money from affiliate marketing. Stay connected with us to know all that and watch complete video. Be patient. There are many affiliate marketing works. So, you need to be patient. You can feed your website with qualified content to get high ranking positions and raise awareness, attend affiliate marketing events, seminars or webinars, and join a discussion forum or online communities to meet new people. All make a great contribution to develop you. Naturally, after these contributions, you will be more passionate to make money from affiliate programs. If you are patient enough, you will make money with affiliate programs. Choose more attractive products. It would be a definite mistake to promote everything by registering with different affiliate programs. You can't focus on each of them deeply, and the result would be a disappointment. Instead of promoting everything, just promote a few products which are unique, profitable, or can reach large masses. So, you need to understand market needs and desires and place your products accordingly to make money as an affiliate. Use several traffic sources. The chance of making money online raises together with the more traffic you send to the sales page. It is not wrong to run ads on just own site, but it has some missing points. The best example belongs to Google AdWords. By making an ad in your AdWords account, your sales page gets targeted traffic from various channels. Attract targeted traffic. The core function of making money is to push people to click your affiliates' links. So, you need to attract visitors. There are 4 ways: paid advertising, free advertising, article marketing, and email marketing. You need to combine ad copy, graphics, and a link effectively on paid services like Google AdSense in paid advertising, while placing links and advertisements on free websites like Craigslist or US free ads in the free advertisement method. Payment methods of both of them are PPC, which is earning money regardless of whether a reader buys the product or not. For article marketing, you need to have a higher ranking in search engine results to be a credible source. There are many article submission websites like Azine Articles. As a marketer, you submit your article and affiliate marketers republish your article. The marketer who published the original article gradually earns higher search engine rankings. For email marketing, affiliate marketers embed an email subscription option for website visitors. Test, measure, and track. Testing any action and measuring the performance help you explore what works and what doesn't. According to tracking results, change or keep your actions. For example, your banner ads aren't gain you much. So, try to place them in different areas and compare and contrast all results. Sure, some places earn you more. Research product demand. If you remember, I said understand market needs at the beginning. Let's deep into this step. If you have decent traffic, view your daily, weekly, quarterly, and yearly traffic and sales chart in order to explore customers' behaviors and choices. If not, spend time to find out how the product you are thinking to promote meets users' needs. Follow new methods and techniques. Everybody is typing to Google. How to make money affiliate marketing. Everyone wants to make money with affiliate programs. Digital marketing trends are very dynamic. So affiliate marketing is. Try to be updated with the latest techniques and methods to be successful in a competitive environment. Getting out of date results in falling behind, while staying up to date results in utilizing new techniques. Select the right advertiser. The quality and service of your website are as important as the advertiser's website. If your visitors become unhappy and dissatisfied after purchasing the product you advise, they think nothing of taking your advice again. I mean, it hurts your credibility. So, focus on choosing the ones that offer good customer service while promoting the person or company. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you like it, give it like, and if you want more interesting videos like this, don't hesitate to subscribe and hit the bell icon.